the defense lawyer tells me privately that before I start questioning his client during pretrial testimony, the doctor, that he did absolutely nothing wrong. Do I believe what the defense attorney has to say? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. So now it's pretrial testimony. I have an opportunity to question the doctor that you have sued in this medical malpractice case. And before I actually begin questioning the doctor that morning, the defense attorney calls me outside and says, listen, I went through the records, I spoke to my client, this guy did absolutely nothing wrong. Now, I trust this defense attorney, but do I trust what he has to say? Well, have you ever heard the phrase trust but verify? Well, that's exactly what I have to do. Because in order to get to this stage where I'm now questioning the doctor in this medical malpractice case, I've had to already confirm that there's a valid basis for a case. We've already had to get a medical expert to confirm that there was wrongdoing, that the wrongdoing caused injury, and that the injury is significant or permanent. And only then can we go forward and file a lawsuit against the doctor who you believe caused you significant harm and injury. So now, I believe we have a valid case. My expert has already confirmed for me that we have a valid case. Yet for some reason, this attorney who I trust, who I've worked with before, is telling me privately, confidentially, that there's really no valid basis for a case, that his client did absolutely nothing wrong. So now I'm getting mixed signals, and now I've got a problem. Because now I have to go through every single record, which I intend to go through anyway. Then I have to ask the doctor hypothetical questions about whether or not he violated the basic standards of medical care. And now I'm trying to figure out why he believes that there's nothing done wrong compared to what my expert has already told me that there was something done wrong. And then I have to reconcile in my own mind after I've had an opportunity to fully question the doctor about whether or not I have a problem or whether or not the defense attorney is actually wrong. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what can happen in a medical malpractice case where the defense attorney now comes out and says, hey, my client did absolutely nothing wrong. I don't know why he's in this case. Just want you to be aware of that before you begin questioning him. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit and your matter did happen here in the state of New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.